Today we will talk about the human tear in this video. Usually 150 microliter per minute is secreted in a human eye. So the production of tear and the excretion is almost equal, so much so there is no tearing or epiphora in the eye. Now this tear film is basically consists of three layers: the outer lipid layer, the middle lacus lacrimale, and the innermost is the mucin layer. Now the outermost lipid layer is produced by the meibomian glands situated at the lid margin. Those are the modified sebaceous glands, and its function is one function is to prevent evaporation of the tear because of the atmosphere temperature changes, and also it prevents the spillage of tear from the eye. Now, functions of the innermost layer, the mucin layer, actually its function is making the hydrophobic cornea into hydrophilic cornea, and this is produced by the crepes of Henle. There are some crepes in the conjunctiva, and also this is produced by the glands of Munch. That's also embedded in the conjunctiva. Now coming to the middle layer, the lacus lacrimale, that is produced by two sets of glands. One is the lacrimal gland as well as the accessory lacrimal glands. The lacrimal glands are situated at the lacrimal fossa in the lacrimal bone, and the accessory lacrimal glands there are two types of glands are there. One is Krauss, other one is Wolfram. Now the Krauss means nearly 15 in number in the upper pharynx and 18 numbers in the lower pharynx. As for Wolfram is another type of accessory gland, which is 18 number in the upper pharynx as well as 1 in number in the lower pharynx. So these are the two types of lacrimal glands contribute for the secretion or production of tear. Now the functions of this lacus lacrimale are: one is it acts like a wiper function, means clearing the cornea when there is any dirt source or some other objects fall into the cornea. That is the one function. Second function is making the cornea perform the optical function. So this is called optical function. Then this tear has got a lot of nourishments like glucose and the amino acids and all these things. So the cornea extract those nourishments from this tear, the lacus lacrimale. So that is the third function, is the nourishment. Then it can act as a antibacterial function. Antibacterial function means it has got immunoglobulins and some other antibiotic in nature, natural substances. So those things are functioning as antibacterial function. And also it has got the function of removal of foreign body. So foreign bodies, those falling onto cornea, are removed by this tear. So basically the functions are, it acts as a wiper function, it acts as a optical function, then nourishment, it nourishes the cornea, and antibacterial function as well as removal of foreign body. Now it's appropriate to talk about some other glands also in the eyelids. There are some glands of Mons. Those are the modified sweat glands situated at the eyelid margin, close to the um, at the base of the eyelashes. As well as there are some glands of Zeiss also. Those are also modified sebaceous glands situated at the eyelid margin.